Today I wanted to tackle a little project that's been on my mind for a long time. Now's the time to do it. We're going to be clearing off our septic tank. So as you can see, it's a mess. We got a lot of weeds growing up. The dirt's all unlevel. The goal here is just to make the ground level with the tank so that we can maintain it. And we thought we'd just bring you guys along to watch the work. Now that's something I've wanted to get done for a long time, and I'm glad it's done. It looks so much better over here. The problem was our septic tank was swallowed within the earth and within all the weeds, and normally that would be a good thing up north. You want your septic tank buried, but since we are in the south, it's warm here, we don't have to worry about freeze. Our septic tank is at ground level. We didn't want all those weeds kind of creating roots in the tank and also making it hard to see where to mow, and it was really lumpy. It was really hard to maintain. That's why it was so ill maintained, because we were afraid to ride the mower near it. Now we can see it totally good. Now I don't know what we're gonna do. We might mulch around it. We might put some posts in the ground or mark it out. We might do something just so that we can not let it happen again. But this is a good start.
Yep. So
we just wanted to keep this one short and sweet. Got work done, used the excavator, and that's it. So we'll be back soon with another video. And until next time, take care.
see ya.